Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up free email on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan. And if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me, and after creating your account, you will have to just log in and go to your client area website, choose the website for which you would like to create an email account and click on the site tools. So just tap on it on this in accounts to create this new email, and when you're ready filling in the information, click create and you will have your new free email ready in a few seconds. So after for each email account you create, you can manage its settings from the manage email accounts sections below. So if you want to manage it, you can just manage. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.